Hello, and thank you for joining me on our presentation on our MaxFin model configurations and nomenclature presentation. My name is Chris Talbert, Business Development Manager at MobileMark. In this presentation, I'm going to go over our MaxFin antenna series, which is designated as MXF Series antennas. This is a shark fin style antenna, multi-band, houses up to 2 LTE, whether it be 5G or 4G LTE elements, up to 4 Wi-Fi 6E elements, and of course your GPS and GNSS. It is a sleek shark fin style design that pairs well with advanced multiband modems used for fleet management, tracking, monitoring, and high-speed data for mobility. Within this model series, we have 2 different variations. The first one is our O2 series. Our O2 series MaxFins designate that it's for 4G LTE with frequencies ranging from 694 to 960 megahertz, as well as 1710 to 3700 megahertz. The Wi-Fi elements within this model series is your standard 2.5 and 5 gig frequencies for Wi-Fi, and can house GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and Beidou GPS modules. Our 08 series is our 5G ready antenna, which goes down to 617 to 960 megahertz and 1710 to 6000 megahertz. The Wi-Fi elements available on our 08 series also covers Wi-Fi 6E. So it covers the standard 2.5 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi frequencies, as well as going up to 7.2 gigahertz for Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. As with our O2 series, this also has the capability of housing GPS module for GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and Beidou. Within this model series, for both the O2 and 08 series, we have a number of different cable and element configurations available. Within this model series, we have our 300 model series, which will house 2 LTE and 1 GPS within that housing. Our 400 series, which has 2 LTE and 1 Wi-Fi, as well as the GPS. Our 500 series, which has up to 2 LTE, 2 Wi-Fi, and GPS. Our 600 series, which has 2 LTE, 3 Wi-Fi, and GPS, following up with our 700 series, which has 2 LTE, up to 4 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS. Additionally, within our part numbers, we also designate, what type of cable and connector are going to be used on for each element. So using an example of our MXF 508 model series, which was a 5 cable antenna, if you look at the upper left corner, you see our MXF 508-3C, 3C, 3J, 3J, 2C-BLK-180. Each part of that model number or part number has an indication of what the antenna is and how it's configured. So we always start off with our model series. So in this case, it would be the MXF 508. The next set of characters will indicate the cellular LTE cables and connectors. The next set of characters will indicate the Wi-Fi cables and connectors, following up with the GPS cable and connectors. After the cables and connectors is the color, and then finishing up with cable length in inches. Additionally, if you're looking to add a GPS with GLONASS capabilities, you can just throw a G in after the X, after MXF, and that will indicate that that part will then have a GNSS GLONASS GPS module in it. Additionally, within those characters for the cables and connectors, each character has its own designation as well. A 3 indicates that it's low loss 195 cable, and a 2 indicates that it's RG174 cable. The characters after the number indicate the connector types. So C would indicate that it's an SMA plug, and J indicates that it's a reverse polarity SMA plug. Now, in addition to our MaxFin style antennas, we have a number of different antenna model series with different shapes, sizes, frequency ranges, and accessories. All of our antennas are biometric compliant, made out of our facility in Itasca, Illinois, and are made in the USA. You can get additional information on all of our products at www.mobilemark.com, or you can call us at 847-671-6690. Thank you again for your time and for helping us move wireless forward.